Hey everyone, welcome to another new video. Stay Outside and Explore welcomes you. Today we're going to make beef stew, homemade beef stew. I got a chuck roast, onions, potatoes, these are Yukon Gold, and carrots. So let's start by cutting up the chuck roast and put it in. We're putting it in a slow cooker. That's over here. So let's cut this meat up. And then I put it in a gravy sauce. I don't like to cut my pieces too big. I'm going to leave the fat on there too because that'll render down and make the roast taste even better. The beef stew. Make another cut. Hopefully you can see this okay. There's not much lighting where I'm sitting. I got to get a lighting adapter or something to make this a little bit brighter. Throw that in there. So I'm going to make this, we'll put this on after everything is all put together tomorrow for supper. Cook it all day. Alright. Yeah, I'll cut this up in half too. Next is the onions. These are yellow sweet onions. I'll cut it like this. And like that, like that, like that. Because you know that's all going to render down. I like onions in my beef stew. Or just regular onions and the beef stew meat with gravy on sandwiches, rolls, or whatever. That's really good too. All right. Don't cut the finger. There we go. All right, now it's time to peel some potatoes. They don't have to be perfect either. Cut them up. Throw it in the kettle. Slow cooker. All right, I'm gonna put the camera on pause because you don't need me to peel the potatoes. I'll come back in just a minute here. Okay, we're back. Now it's time to peel some carrots. Going to be a good hearty beef stew. All right, that's the main ingredients. Now I'm going to put the gravy or whatever in there. Here you go. That looks yummy. So hang tight. I'll get the gravy. I have to warm it up or cook it to make it, and then we'll pour it in there. Hang tight. All right, now we're going to add the gravy. We've got 4 cups of water because we're going to need 2 packages of brown gravy. So we're going to add the water in the kettle. Turn it on high. And we're adding the powder, the gravy mix, to the hot water. 1 package, 2 packages. Alright, and now we're going to whisk it. And when it comes to a boil, we're going to add it to the beef stew. Did you know that if you use a container of water, it's two cups of water? So if you don't have no measuring, you can use that. I think that's, what is that, 12 ounces? No, 16 ounces. This is all getting together real nice. Gonna bring it to a boil. Smells really good. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off. When it comes to a boil, I'll turn you back on. So you can see it's coming to a boil. Now it's time. It's getting nice and thick. Time to throw it in the kettle of food. Alright, we'll plug her in and we'll see how it is when it's all done. Oh yeah, here it is. It's been cooking for about 8 hours. Smells so good. Trying to get the lenses starting to fog up a little bit here. But we're going to plate it up soon and I'll let you know how it is. Alright, here it is all plated up. Can't wait to try it. So that should do it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.